Hey Car Alerts fam! Today we dive deep into the future of electric pickup trucks, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. With its radical design, futuristic features, and cutting-edge performance, the Cybertruck has been a hot topic since its unveiling. But is it worth the hype? Let's break it down. Exterior first things first, the exterior. Love it or hate it, you can't ignore it. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck looks like it was ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. The angular, stainless steel exoskeleton gives it a unique, almost military-grade appearance. The body is made from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, providing both strength and durability. And guess what? It's dent-resistant, scratch-resistant, and even bullet-resistant. That's right, you can confidently say this truck is built like a tank. Interior, step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels like a minimalist, tech lover's paradise. The interior is spacious, with a utilitarian yet futuristic design. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 17-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate control, and it comes with the latest Tesla OS update, offering more features and a more intuitive user interface. Performance: the 2025 Cybertruck comes in three variants: the Single Motor RWD, Dual Motor AWD, and the beastly Tri-Motor AWD. The Tri-Motor version can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds. That's sports car territory, folks. As for range, it offers up to 500 miles on a single charge, depending on the model. So, is the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck the future of trucks? With its bold design, cutting-edge features, and incredible performance, it's certainly a step in that direction. Whether you're a die-hard Tesla fan or someone looking for something out of the ordinary, the Cybertruck is definitely worth a look. What do you think about the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck? Is it a game-changer or just a wild experiment? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Alerts for more awesome car reviews and updates. Until next time, drive safe.